Hello and welcome to UnlockLife. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to back up on Google Photos. Backing up photos on Google Photos is useful because it keeps your precious memories secure and easily accessible from any device, protecting them from loss or damage to your phone. Open Google Photos on your phone and tap on the top right corner. Now tap on Turn on Backup and then tap on Original Quality Photos. And now tap on Confirm. Now your pictures will automatically start backing up. Now you can secure your memories by easily backing up on Google Photos. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any needy seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.